Hello everyone, take the hairs like this and make the plaits on it. So take the upper part of the hairs and tie it. Now tie all the hairs, divide it from the between and then fix the hairs like this. Put the hairs inside it and fold it to make a bun. Fix it using the bun pins and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. You can use the designer clips like this. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. After that, divide the hairs, rotate it on the alternative sides using the hairstyling tool like this. Fix it. Rotate the hairs again and again. Fix it on the side like this. Tie it and fix it inside the hairs. And it's ready. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, again take the hairs from the sides, rotate it again and again as shown in the video and repeat the process for few more times as we are doing. Tie the hairs till the end in the same manner. Fix it. Now we will make the plaits on the hairs. Make the plaits and tie it. Now you can fold it upward and fix it to make a bun. Tie it using the bun pins and it's ready. Next, tie a ponytail. Now fix this bun stick on the hairs. Roll the hairs around it and then tie it using a rubber band if you want at the bottom. Now fold it upward to make a bun. Fold it tightly, fix it like this and then fix the glittery part on the sides of the hairs to clutch it properly. You can put the rubber band and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be tying the hairs like this. Now fix this bun stick, roll it from the sides and then pull out on the hairs. Now pull it little bit and then fold it upward. Fix the hairs to make the bun. Now roll it from the sides and clutch it properly or lock it as shown in the video. Fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to tie the ponytail, divide it from the between and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, fix it on the top in a shape of a bow. Put the rubber band over it. Now after that, we will fix the bottom section of the hairs by making the plaits on it. Now fold it upward in the between, fix it like this using the hairpins and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. You can also put some designer clips to look it more beautiful and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the hairs like this, roll it using the fingers, fix it on the sides using the hair clutch and your hairstyle is ready. Make a ponytail and fix this bun pin on the hairs. Roll it upward like this and then make the bun as shown in the video. Roll the hairs from the sides like this or the clutch and spread the hairs. Put the rubber band over the bun and fix it properly. Put the hair clips and your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching.